Tips to beautify yourself and your face. Natural remedies. 1. Honey face mask, antibacterial, moisturizing. 2. Green tea toner, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. 3. Aloe vera gel, soothing, hydrating. 4. Cucumber slice, cooling, refreshing. 5. Turmeric face mask, anti-inflammatory, brightening. Common mistakes. 1. Not removing makeup properly. 2. Using harsh products. 3. Overwashing or underwashing. 4. Not moisturizing. 5. Touching face excessively. Expert quotes. 1. Cleanse your face like you're washing a delicate fabric. Dr. Dennis Gross. 2. Moisturize immediately after washing to lock in hydration. Dr. Deborah Jaliman. 3. Exfoliate wisely to avoid irritation. Dr. Joshua Zeichner. Videos. 1. Morning skincare routine, by Hiram Yarbrough. 2. Nighttime skincare routine, by Dr. Dre. 3. How to wash your face properly, by link unavailable. Articles. 1. The ultimate guide to cleansing your face, by Allure. 2. The best skincare routine for your skin type, by Cosmopolitan. 3. The importance of moisturizing, by L. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to achieving a clean, healthy, and radiant face.